Hey there everyone, this is Billy here back on the channel, and today I am back with yet another new RC video. I know, two back-to-back, crazy, right? I'm still waiting on some parts for the Raptor, but as soon as that comes in, that's going to be a really fun video. But today, we're going to be talking about something that I've been sort of, kind of waiting for, not really. Something just really cool that I want to show you guys. And here it is, y'all, the RC10T84 team kit. So I just saw this today and I knew I had to make a video about it because, oh my god, it's a four-wheel drive 10th scale stadium truck Truggy type thing. It's kind of like the Techno 410, I believe is what it's called. Honestly, I'm thinking that this is probably just going to be like in, what is it called, the B84, but like a little bit wider and maybe like a little bit longer. I do like the proportions on this one a lot more than the Techno one. So yeah, just going through some of the pics here. It looks pretty similar to the B84, just with some wider arms, and I think that might be a longer chassis. I think it might be like the same size, but I definitely like the proportions on this one a lot more than the Techno one, because the Techno one was really kind of short and stubby, and I wasn't really a huge fan of that look. But I've always sort of liked the idea of 10 scale four-wheel drive stadium Truggy type of class. Coming in at $659, it's a little up there, but it is a four-wheel drive, so it's sort of what you expect for 10 scale four-wheel drive. There's your center diff. It looks like a pretty high quality kit. I'm not going to be immediately jumping on this, but I feel like if I had to get anything like for Christmas, I feel like this would have to be the one. I'm not sure if there's, oh look, they already have a video on it, y'all. Freaking sweet, y'all. The RC10T84. Honestly, I feel like this would be a super fun class to actually race, especially over at Houston RC. I mean, I just recently got the T7 associated stadium truck, and I really like the way that that thing handles, even with the ball diff. So I can imagine that this would honestly be like something super fun just to tinker around with and make fun. But then again, four-wheel drive isn't a huge class at Houston RC. I think like one of the last people I saw driving one, like a four-wheel drive buggy, was Wyatt Wilson. But yeah, honestly, I think this would be a, I know I've said it a million times already, but like this would be a super fun class to race. So just to compare a little bit, yeah, the only reason why I'm showing you guys this on Horizon Hobbies, because Techno's website really doesn't look that great compared to Horizon Hobbies. Something they get right? So I just realized it has been discontinued. So this thing is no longer available for purchase as a new kit, but I'm sure you could probably find a few out there like on Marketplace and stuff. Yeah, I'm just not like a super big fan of how short the thing is, but I'm sure it makes it turn like insanely well. I mean, it looks like an 8th scale like Truggy, but like just kind of smaller. Sad to see that this thing is discontinued though, because this thing is freaking sick. I don't think it really did that well. I think I've only ever seen these like maybe like 1 or 2 times like out in the wild. I remember someone had it at like Gulf Coast Raceway, like I think a couple of years ago maybe. But yeah, super cool class though. Oops. But yeah, just a super cool class to race. I think, I mean, I don't really know how these would handle, but like I could imagine that if stadium truck 2-wheel drive is really fun, I could imagine that this is probably a whole new level of it. Hopefully this could possibly revive, well, I don't really know about that, but hopefully this will spark some like new interest in 4-wheel drive stadium truck. It's really cool to see Associated get in on the game, because I am a huge Team Associated fan now, like ever since I got into 10 scale racing. But yeah, what are you guys' thoughts on this? Honestly, I cannot wait to see more of this thing. If I honestly had to get only one thing for freaking Christmas this year, I feel like this would be the thing to get. Because I know that 4-wheel drive for a fact is way faster than 2-wheel drive racing, especially in 10 scale. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about with you guys today. Let me know what you guys think of this thing. This thing looks super cool. This thing looks super fun. $659, it is a little bit on the steeper end, but what can you really expect for 4-wheel drive 10 scale, especially when it's like a big stadium truck Truggy like thing. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.